Hello guys, our dog here has been a very good dog. She's very well behaved. And so now, this is actually my dinner also for tonight. So a portion of it I will give it to her so that she will enjoy. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the floor and our beloved dog will eat. Okay, Olivia, here it is. Come on, come on. Come on. I think that this dog is quite hungry because not a lot of people are feeding him now. I think that she likes the food that I prepared. Actually, I have no plan of giving her the food, but then since she's accompanying me, she's very sweet to me, and so I'm giving a portion of my food to her. You know, even though I put I placed this food on top of the table and she's under the table, and I left the food for a few minutes. She's well behaved. She doesn't eat that food. So she's just waiting to be given this food or to be offered. I think she likes it. Oh, she doesn't finish it. Lydia, di na ka? But I think she will finish this tomorrow. Okay. Bye, guys.